Good afternoon and welcome. This is Osrc Reports. My name is Oyewumi Ayinibera. The Ondo State government says it remains committed to fighting malaria towards eliminating the disease and fostering quality health for residents. The special advisor to the Governor on Health, Professor Michael Semidele, spoke in Akure at the official unveiling of the Institute of Human Virology of Nigeria, IHVN, as non-state actors, NSA, to the State's Steering Committee on the Immunization Plus and Malaria Progress by accelerating coverage and transforming services import projects. Abidemi Akirotoye Asmo as presented from our studio.
According to 2024 World Health Organization (WHO) annual report, an estimated 263 million malaria cases and 597,000 deaths were recorded globally in 2023. Alarmingly, the report highlights that 1 in every 4 malaria cases and 1 in every 3 malaria deaths occurred in Nigeria, making it a significant contributor to the global burden of the disease. Speaking at the event, the Special Advisor to Ondo State Governor on Health, Professor Michael Semidele, emphasized the state government's commitment to eradicating malaria and other preventable diseases due to their socioeconomic implications. He disclosed that Nigeria accounts for 27% of global malaria cases, out of the 94% recorded in sub-Saharan Africa. This, he said, underscores the government's sustained investment in healthcare, including recruitment of health workers, restructuring of tertiary institutions, and equipping hospitals and health facilities.
We have actually brought together a serious package that will be able to ensure that we change the current indices where we are having Nigeria occupying 27% of the global burden for malaria. We are working seriously to be able to be sure we change the narratives, and we are very confident we can achieve that with the various methodologies that we have already put in place.
Professor Semendele expressed confidence that the involvement of the Institute of Human Virology of Nigeria as a non-state actor will complement existing efforts towards achieving a malaria-free Ondo State.
Then we have also strengthened. There's a revitalization process that is ongoing to be able to be sure that our health facilities are also able to effectively manage malaria, both among children, adults, and pregnant women. Drugs for prevention of malaria in pregnancy, that is the SP, is available, and the normal drug, the ACTs, they are also available to be able to be sure that we take care of our people that are having malaria.
Representing the head of non-state actors, Dr. Patrick Daku and Mr. Charles Olalekan, said the Institute focuses on delivery quality health services, capacity building, and research across West Africa. He assured that the agency is prepared to partner other stakeholders to ensure a healthier Ondo State.
What the special advisor on health said in terms of us getting local content in resolving issues with the net distribution and also monitoring that. IHVN is known to do that, and also be proud to support the state.
Also speaking, the State Project Coordinator of Impact, Dr. Sam Akimbasote, highlighted key achievements, noting that malaria elimination remains a top priority of the Ondo State government. He disclosed that millions of long-lasting insecticidal nets have been distributed across the state, alongside continuous training for both public and private healthcare providers.
We are keep the ground running, so as to achieve some of our targeted project development objectives. That under 5 children, all under 5 children in Ondo State must, with fever, must be attended to within 24 to 48 hours, with test. devices, RDT. So when we confirm, we ensure that all of them that are confirmed positive for malaria must be reached with anti-malaria medicines. And we are not leaving our pregnant women out.
Other speakers at the event emphasized that malaria remains a leading cause of hospital visits and admissions. They called for concerted effort by all stakeholders to tackle the disease and other preventable health conditions. After the unveiling ceremony, stakeholders visited the State Health Commodities Management Agency, where malaria commodities supplied by the non-state actor were inspected as part of ongoing effort to reduce the disease impact.
The government of Ondo State has vowed to revisit projects abandoned under previous administrations to rid the state of uncompleted structures and reduce wastage of resources. This is part of efforts of the administration of Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa towards urban regeneration, especially in Akure, the state capital. One of such projects identified is the proposed modern banquet complex project at Alagaka, embarked upon by the administration of Dr. Olusegun Agagu 20 years ago, but which has been abandoned since 2007. Special advisor to the Governor on Infrastructure, Abiola Olawole, who inspected the structure, said the government is reviewing the component of the contract awarded for its construction 20 years ago. Olawole said the ongoing urban renewal development around the Alabaka GRA has made it a necessity to revisit the project towards ensuring its completion and use. Already, the site is being cleared to make way for an integrity test on the structure. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, the need for tech-savvy administrative personnel has never been greater. To this end, confidential secretaries from the 6 local government areas in the southern senatorial district of Ondo State converged on Okitipupa for a capacity-building workshop aimed at enhancing their digital skills. Blessing Obi reports.
To bridge the digital gap in public administration, the Ondo State Local Government Service Commission, in partnership with the Industrial Training Fund, organized a one-day capacity-building workshop for confidential secretaries in the Southern Senatorial District. With a focus on digital workflows and artificial intelligence, the training is designed to equip secretaries with modern tools to enhance productivity and efficiency in the workplace. Chairman of the Commission, Femi Idris, represented by Ifedayo Iji, said the initiative is part of broader efforts to strengthen the digital competence of administrative staff.
As the world of office administration transfers at an unprecedented pace, it is imperative that we as public servants and professionals stay ahead of the curve. This program is designed to provide you with the latest insights, practical tools, and hands-on experience to harness new technologies and enhance your management capabilities. To our participants, confidential secretaries from southern part of the government service areas, I urge you to make the most of this opportunity, engage actively, share your experiences, and embrace the spirit of continuous learning and collaboration.
Permanent Secretary Bayo Ilawole underscored the critical role secretaries play in governance and the urgent need for them to adapt to emerging technologies.
Confidential Secretary plays vital roles in administrations of the local government, not only local government, in any organization. And they are often, and you want to bear me witness, that you are the first point of contact for citizens, and you are responsible for handling sensitive information. So suffice to say that this training will provide you with the necessary skills and the knowledge to perform your duty effectively.
Participants share their enthusiasm, expressing confidence that the training will enhance their capacity to meet today's administrative demands.
The training is very, very important to us because it gives us some skills. There are some things that you have not been known before. You we are really exposed to it, and we are knowing now. So it will also enhance our work when we get to the office.
This is the era of computer. This is the era that a confidential secretary must know what is happening globally, and they must be able to let their actions and inaction reflect their name as confidential, because they are the life wire of their boss office.
I really appreciate the permanent secretary, the team that is being here today. They have really done well. In fact, today I learned a lot. Is it about the ICT or is it about the time management? It was so interesting. And what I can say is that I really appreciate the management team for being here today and for giving us the opportunity to talk to ourselves and understand much about the confidential works in our various offices.
The workshop highlights the growing importance of digitization and continuous learning in an ever-changing technological world. Blessing Obe, Osrc News.
The Nigeria Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, NIEEE Akure chapter, has commended Osrc Media Group for its remarkable achievement in sustaining a steady power supply and a stable transmission across its stations. During a visit to the media group's headquarters, NIEEE leadership praised the development, noting that it has significantly improved the reach of its stations within and beyond on the state. Omoriola Onbiju reports that the Director General and Chief Executive Officer of the media group also received an invitation to be honored with a merit award at the association's upcoming state conference.
For years, Osrc TV, Orange 94.5 FM, and Sunshine 96.5 FM Alalaye grappled with poor transmission occasioned by erratic power supply and inadequate equipment, earning the nickname Osrc Pano Pano. However, the narrative has begun to change with the current leadership of its Director General, Kenneth Odushola Stevenson. Confirming this development, members of the Nigerian Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, Akure chapter, led by Adeyemi Adedokun, applauded the media group for its balanced reportage and efforts to reach audiences at the grassroots. Mr. Adedokun noted that some of the association's members are part of the technical team at the stations, giving them first-hand knowledge of past challenges. He commended the proactive efforts of the current administration in restoring the media group's lost glory and called for continued collaboration to deliver quality service to the people.
Commend Osrc. Now you have stable electricity supply, and then you are a partner that make things, make the public to understand what the government is doing and other organizations. So your news is balanced, and then your equipment is superb. So we want to commend the management and the entire team for doing a good job, because without them, the public will not know what is happening in the society. I follow Osrc, some of their campaign on some issues in the society is very educative, and when you talk of entertainment also, Osrc is there. So we want to commend Osrc for really doing a good job.
In his response, Mr. Odushola Stevenson emphasized the importance of engineering in broadcast operations, describing engineers as the engine room of any media outfit.
Me, I know that almost everyone here will respect engineers, and without engineers we cannot even be on air. So like I said, your task is enormous.
He assured the association of sustained cooperation and praised their members working in the media group for their professionalism.
But I would like to say a very big thank you, and then you are doing a good job. All your engineers here, they are doing a good job, to be honest. They are able to keep us alive for at least a number of hours on a daily basis without interruption. I think right now, without patronizing, and I think that when we were trying to get electricity, I had to tell Engineer Ayikam Logo and the team to make sure that we get report every day, because we had 30 days ultimatum as a deadline to get the electricity, and we achieved it. And for the team, they had to be supervising how the poles are to be erected, trying to the stringing of the things on a daily basis. We were getting report, and that's engineering. You know, it has to be precision, otherwise you can kill it. You can have everybody, you know, be electrocuted in this building. It is not easy for a place that hasn't got light for so many years, and you want to now put electricity into the place. If you are not careful, you can have a whole disaster. So for me, I want to congratulate the team, the electrical engineers that are here, and I want to congratulate all you also for actually putting the conference together, and I'm hoping it's going to be successful.
Highlights of the visit was the presentation of an invitation letter to the Director General to be honored with a Merit Award at the association's forthcoming conference in the state. Omoriola Humbiji, Osrc News.
And that concludes Social Reports this afternoon. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon.